Welcome to AppMyStore. This is a Shopify app that lets you turn your online store into a native mobile app for both iOS and Android. With AppMyStore, your customers can browse products, get push notifications, and check out directly from their phone, all synced automatically with your Shopify store. In this guide, I will walk you through every feature available in the dashboard so you know exactly how to set up and manage your mobile app. This is your app dashboard inside the Shopify admin. The page you are looking at right now is the Publish App section. At the top, you can see the page title, Publish Your App, with a breadcrumb link back to the main App My Store page. Now let me show you the sidebar navigation. This is where you access all the different sections of the app. First is Publish App. This is the most important section when you are getting started. It is a three-step wizard where you enter your app name, upload your icon and screenshots, and fill in your store listing details for the App Store and Google Play. Next is Push Notifications. Once your app is published, this is where you create and send notifications to your customers. You can send them immediately or schedule them for later. Each notification can include an image, a title, a message, and a link to a specific product or page in your app. App pricing lets you offer special discounts that only apply when customers shop through your mobile app. You can set a percentage or fixed amount discount, and your customers will see a side-by-side price comparison showing how much they save by using the app. App Coupons is where you create exclusive discount codes just for your mobile app users. You can set usage limits, minimum purchase amounts, expiry dates, and even offer free shipping. These coupons will only work inside the app, giving your customers a reason to download it. Onboarding is where you design the welcome screens that new users see the first time they open your app. You can add multiple slides with custom titles, images, and call to action buttons. You also have full control over the colors and styling. Settings is your configuration center. It has three tabs: branding, where you set your app logo and colors; store links, where you enter your App Store and Play Store URLs after publishing; and smart banner, which adds a download banner to your website to drive app installs. And finally, plans and pricing. This is where you choose your subscription plan. The growth plan unlocks all the premium features like push notifications, app exclusive coupons, pricing discounts, and onboarding screens. Before we move on, let me give you a quick preview of what the Publish app page looks like. The main area shows your submission progress at the top with a draft status badge. Below that is a three-step wizard for basic info, design, and assets and details. The Forms section on the left is where you fill in your app details, and on the right side you can see a live preview of how your app listing will look in the store with toggles for iOS and Android. That covers the introduction and navigation. You now have a clear picture of what each section does and where to find it. In the next part, we will go through the Publish app wizard step by step and fill in all the details needed to get your app ready for submission. Now, let us go through the Publish app wizard. This is where you set up everything needed to get your app listed on the App Store and Google Play. The process has three steps: basic info, design and assets, and details. Let us start with step 1. Step 1 is basic info. This is the text content that appears on your App Store listing. Everything you type here will be visible to customers when they find your app. The app name is the first thing customers see. It appears under your app icon on both stores. You have up to 30 characters, so keep it short and memorable. I will type my demo store as an example. Notice the character counter on the right updates as you type. The short description is a tagline shown in Google Play search results. It should summarize what your app does in 80 characters or less. The subtitle serves the same purpose, but for the Apple App Store, it appears right below your app name. You have 30 characters here. The full description is your main sales pitch. This is where you tell customers everything about your app. You have up to 4,000 characters to describe your features, benefits, and what makes your store special. Keywords help customers discover your app when they search the Apple App Store. Separate them with commas. Choose words that your customers would actually search for. The copyright field is required by Apple. Just enter the current year followed by your store name. As you fill in the form, the store preview on the right updates in real time. You can see exactly how your listing will look. Switch between iOS and Android to check both platforms. The layouts are slightly different on each store. When you are happy with the text, click Save and continue to move to step 2. You can also click Save to save your progress and come back later. Step 2 is Design and Assets. This is where you upload the visual elements of your app listing. The app icon is the most important visual. It is what customers see in search results, on their home screen, and in the store. It should be a high quality square image 1224 by 1224 pixels. I have uploaded a sample app icon. You can see it now appears in the preview on the right side. The feature graphic is a banner image used on Google Play. It is 1024 by 500 pixels and appears at the top of your store listing. The feature graphic has been uploaded. This banner helps your listing stand out in the Google Play Store. The primary color is used throughout your app for buttons, headers, and other accent elements. Pick a color that matches your brand. Screenshots are crucial. They show customers what your app actually looks like. You need at least 3 screenshots. These should highlight your best features and give customers a reason to download. I have uploaded 3 screenshots showing the home screen, a product page, and the shopping cart. These give customers a clear preview of the app experience. Let us save and continue to the final step. Step 3 is Details. This is the final step where you add your contact information and a few important settings. The contact email is where Apple and Google will reach you about your app. It is also displayed on your store listing so customers can contact you. Contact phone is optional but recommended. It adds credibility to your listing. The website URL links to your store. This is usually auto-filled from your Shopify domain. The privacy policy URL is required by both Apple and Google. Every app must have a privacy policy that explains how you handle customer data. If you do not have one, there are free generators online that can help. Finally, choose a category that best describes your app. Shopping is the most common choice for e-commerce stores, but you can pick whichever fits your business. Once all 3 steps are complete, you will see the Submit button become available. When you click Submit, your app goes to our team for review. During review, our team checks your listing details, verifies your assets, and prepares your app for the App Store and Google Play. You will receive an email once the review is complete. While your app is in review, the form becomes read-only. You cannot make changes until the review is finished. If any changes are needed, our team will notify you. That is everything for the Publish app wizard. You now know how to fill in your app details, upload your visual assets, and submit your app for review. In the next part, we will look at plans and pricing. Now, let us take a look at the plans and pricing page. This is where you manage your subscription to AppMyStore. Right now, this store is on the free plan. On the free plan, you can set up your app and fill in all your details, but to actually build and publish your app, you will need to upgrade to the growth plan. Let me walk you through what the growth plan includes. The growth plan is priced at $99 per month. It includes everything you need to run a professional mobile app for your store. Here is the full list of features included in the growth plan. First, you get an iOS and Android app that wraps your online store into a mobile experience. This keeps things simple because your store content stays in sync automatically without any extra setup. We handle the entire App Store and Play Store submission process for you, including all the compliance requirements and review guidelines. Auto sync with Shopify means your products, prices, and inventory are always up to date in the mobile app. Any changes you make in Shopify are reflected automatically. You get unlimited push notifications, send as many as you want to promote sales, new arrivals, or anything else to your customers. Scheduled notifications let you plan your campaigns in advance, set a date and time, and the notification goes out automatically. Advanced analytics gives you insights into how your customers are using the app, including downloads, sessions, and engagement metrics. App exclusive pricing lets you offer special prices that are only available to customers shopping through the mobile app. App only coupons let you create discount codes that only work inside the mobile app. The smart download banner automatically adds a banner to your website, prompting visitors to download your app. And finally, onboarding screens. These are the welcome slides that new users see the first time they open your app. To subscribe, click the Choose Growth button. This will redirect you to the Shopify billing confirmation page where you approve the $99 per month charge. The subscription appears on your regular Shopify invoice. No separate payment needed. Once you approve the charge, your plan activates immediately and all premium features are unlocked. Your app will then be queued for building and submission to the app stores. That covers plans and pricing. The growth plan gives you everything you need to run a professional mobile app with push notifications, exclusive deals, and a fully branded experience. In the next part, we will look at the settings page. The settings page is your configuration center. It has three tabs: branding, store links, and smart banner. Let us go through each one. The branding tab is selected by default. This is where you customize the visual identity of your mobile app. The settings here control the splash screen and the overall color theme of your app. The app logo is displayed on the splash screen when customers open your app. Upload a high-quality image that represents your brand. This is the first thing users see every time they launch the app. The primary color is the main accent color used throughout your app for buttons, headers, and interactive elements. Pick a color that matches your brand identity. The splash screen color sets the background color of the loading screen that appears when the app first opens. It works together with your logo to create a branded launch experience. Once you have set your logo and colors, click Save to apply the branding changes. These settings will be reflected in the next app build. The second tab is Store Links. After your app is published to the App Store and Google Play, you will receive URLs for each listing. Enter those URLs here so that AppMyStore can link customers directly to your app download pages. The iOS App Store URL is the link to your app on the Apple App Store. It usually starts with apps.apple.com. Customers on iPhones and iPads will be directed to this link. The Google Play Store URL is the link for Android users. It starts with play.google.com. Once both URLs are entered, AppMyStore can automatically redirect customers to the right store based on their device. Click Save to store these links. They are used throughout the app for download prompts, the smart banner, and any share your app features. The third tab is Smart Banner. This feature adds a floating download banner to your Shopify website, encouraging visitors to install your mobile app. It is one of the most effective ways to drive app downloads from your existing web traffic. First, check the Enable Smart Banner toggle to turn it on. When enabled, the banner will automatically appear on your store website for mobile visitors. The banner text is the message displayed on the banner. Use something compelling that gives visitors a reason to download your app. The CTA button text is what appears on the download button. Keep it short and action-oriented. You can optionally include a coupon code. When set, the banner will mention the discount and the coupon will be auto-applied when customers open the app. You can also customize the banner color to match your brand. Choose whether it appears at the top or bottom of the page, and set how many days it stays dismissed after a customer closes it. The position setting controls whether the banner appears at the top or bottom of the screen. Bottom is the default and is generally less intrusive for browsing. Dismiss for end days controls how long the banner stays hidden after a visitor closes it. The default is 7 days. Setting this too low can annoy visitors, while setting it too high means fewer impressions. Click Save to apply your smart banner settings. The banner will begin appearing on your website for mobile visitors immediately after saving. That covers all three tabs of the settings page. Branding lets you customize your app appearance. Store links connects your published app listings, and the smart banner drives downloads from your website. In the next part, we will explore more features. Make sure to save your settings on each tab before moving on. Now let us look at push notifications. This is one of the most powerful features in AppMyStore. It lets you send messages directly to your customers' phones to drive engagement and sales. This is the push notifications dashboard. At the top, you can see the page title and a create notification button in the title bar. Just below the title, you can see badges showing the number of registered devices and total notifications. The device count tells you how many customers have installed your app and can receive push notifications. There is also a warning banner here reminding you to configure Firebase in your settings before you can actually send notifications. Firebase is the service that delivers push notifications to Android and iOS devices. Below the badges, you will find the notification list with filter tabs at the top. Let me walk through each filter. The All tab shows every notification regardless of status. This is the default view. The Favorites tab shows notifications you have starred. This is useful for saving templates or frequently reused messages. The Send tab shows all notifications that have already been delivered to your customers. You can see delivery statistics here. And the Was Scheduled tab shows notifications that were originally scheduled and have since been sent. This helps you track your scheduled campaign history. Right now the notification list is empty. You can see the empty state with a prompt to create your first notification. Let us do that now. Now let me show you how to create a new push notification. I will click the Create Notification button in the title bar. A modal window opens with the Create Push Notification form. The layout is split into two sections. On the left is the form where you fill in the details, and on the right is a live preview that shows exactly how your notification will appear on a customer phone. On the right side of the modal, the live preview shows how your notification will look on a customer phone. It updates instantly as you type, including the title, message, and image thumbnail. This gives you confidence that your notification looks great before you send it. At the bottom of the modal, you have two options. Create draft saves the notification without sending it, so you can review or edit it later. If you set a schedule time, the button changes to schedule instead, and there is always a cancel button to close the modal without saving. To summarize the sent flow, first you create a notification by filling in the title, message, and optionally an image and action link. You can either save it as a draft or schedule it for a specific time. When you hit send, the notification is delivered to every registered device through Firebase. The status updates to send, and you can see exactly how many devices received it successfully and how many failed. If a send fails, the status changes to failed, and you can retry by clicking the send button again. And if you have Firebase not yet configured, the system will remind you to set it up in settings before you can send anything. That covers everything about push notifications. You now know how to create notifications with titles, messages, and images, how to schedule them for the future or send them immediately, how to filter and manage your notification list, and how the delivery tracking works. In the next part, we will look at app pricing, where you can offer exclusive mobile app discounts. Now let us look at the app coupons section. This is where you create exclusive discount codes that only work inside your mobile app. Great! This store has an active plan, so we can see the full coupons interface. At the top, it says app only coupons are exclusive to customers ordering through the mobile app. Right now there are no coupons, so you see an empty state with the heading no coupons yet and a prompt to create app exclusive coupons to drive mobile downloads. Let me open the create coupon form. I will click the create coupon button. The create app coupon modal is now open. Let me walk through each field. First is the coupon code field. I will type UP-ONLY20 as an example. The help text below reminds you that the code will be converted to uppercase. Next is the description field. This is optional but helpful for keeping track of what each coupon is for. Now the discount type and value fields shown side by side. The type drop-down lets you choose between percentage and fixed amount. The value field's suffix changes based on your selection, showing either a percent sign or a dollar sign. I will leave it set to percentage and enter 20 as the value. Below the discount fields are usage limit and per customer. Usage limit controls the total number of times this coupon can be redeemed. Per customer sets the maximum usage per individual customer. I will leave both empty for unlimited use. The minimum order amount field lets you require customers to spend a certain amount before the coupon applies. It is prefixed with a dollar sign. Next are two checkboxes. Free shipping adds complimentary shipping on top of the discount. Individual use only means this coupon cannot be combined with other discount codes. Finally, the expiry date field. You can set a date after which the coupon automatically becomes invalid. Leave it empty if you want the coupon to last indefinitely. At the bottom of the modal, you see the create button to save and a cancel button to discard. I will click cancel for now since this is just a walkthrough. That covers everything in the app coupons section. You now know how to create app exclusive discount codes with custom limits, expiry dates, and free shipping. These coupons only work inside your mobile app, giving your customers a real incentive to download and shop through it. Now let us take a look at the app pricing page. This is where you can offer special discounted prices exclusively to customers who shop through your mobile app. At the top of the page, there is an Enable App Only Pricing toggle. When you turn this on, the discount settings become visible and active. The first setting is the discount type. You can choose between two options: percentage off, which applies a percentage discount to all product prices, or fixed amount off, which subtracts a flat dollar amount from every product price. Next to the discount type is the discount amount field. If you chose percentage, you would enter a number like 10 for a 10% discount. If you chose fixed amount, you would enter a dollar value like $5 off. Below the discount settings is the app price badge text field. This controls the label shown next to the discounted price inside the app. By default, it says app price, but you can customize it to say something like mobile deal or app exclusive. There is also a show cheaper on the app teaser option. When enabled, this displays a message below each product price on your website, something like 10% cheaper on the app. This encourages visitors on your website to download and shop through your mobile app instead. One of the best features on this page is the live preview section. It shows a side-by-side comparison of how the price looks on your website versus how it looks in the app. On the website side, you see the original price, for example, $100. If the teaser is enabled, there is a message below it saying how much cheaper it is on the app. On the app side, you see the original price crossed out, the new discounted price, and the badge label you configured. This preview updates in real time as you change the discount type and value, so you can fine-tune things before saving. Once you are happy with your settings, you click the Save Settings button at the bottom and the discounted pricing goes live immediately in your app. That covers app pricing. It is a powerful way to reward your mobile app customers with lower prices and drive more downloads. Remember, you will need the growth plan to unlock this feature. Now let us look at onboarding screens. This is where you design the welcome experience that new users see the very first time they open your app. You can create multiple slides with custom images, titles, subtitles, and call to action buttons. You also have full control over colors and styling to match your brand. We already have onboarding screens set up. Let us walk through how to manage them. Let us customize the first screen. I will start by uploading an image. This is the hero visual that grabs your customer's attention. The image has been uploaded and you can see it immediately in the live preview on the right. The preview updates in real time as you make changes. I have set the title to Welcome to our store. This is the first thing users read, so make it warm and inviting. The subtitle gives a bit more context. Here I am highlighting the key benefits of using the app. The button text says Get Started. You can also choose what the button does from the button action drop-down. Options include going to the next screen, requesting push notification permissions, or finishing onboarding and entering the app. I have saved the first screen. Let us now add a second and third screen to create a complete onboarding flow. Screen 2 has been added. Let us upload an image and customize the content for this slide. For screen 2, I am highlighting the app exclusive discounts. This gives customers a strong reason to keep the app installed. Notice that when I click on screen 2, the live preview on the right updates to show this slide. You can click on any screen card to preview it. Now let us add a third and final screen to complete our onboarding flow. For the final screen, I am encouraging users to enable push notifications. The button says Start Shopping, which will finish onboarding and take them straight into the app. Now let us look at reordering. You can move screens up or down to change the order they appear in. Let me move screen 3 up so it becomes screen 2. Screen 3 is now in the second position. The order updates immediately and you can see the change reflected in the preview dots at the bottom of the phone. And I have moved it back to its original position. This makes it easy to experiment with different orderings until you find what works best. Let us take a closer look at the live preview. It shows exactly how each onboarding screen will appear on a real phone, complete with the notch, navigation dots, and your custom button. Here is screen 1 with our welcome message and hero image. Clicking next in the preview moves to screen 2, showing the app exclusive discounts slide. And here is screen 3, our final slide about push notifications. The dots at the bottom indicate which screen you are viewing. Below the screen editors, you will find the Style Settings card. This is where you control the visual appearance of your entire onboarding flow. First, there is an Enable Onboarding toggle. When this is turned on, new users will see your onboarding screens when they first open the app. When it is off, they go straight to the store. I have enabled onboarding below the toggle. You can customize 7 different colors. Background color sets the screen background. Title color and subtitle color control the text. Button color and button text color style the call to action button. And dot active color and dot inactive color control the pagination dots at the bottom. All of these color changes are reflected in the live preview in real time, so you can see exactly how your onboarding will look before saving. I have saved the style settings. Your onboarding flow is now fully configured and ready for your customers. Finally, let me show you how to delete a screen. Each screen card has a delete button in the top right corner with a red trash icon. I will delete the third screen to demonstrate. When you click the delete button, the screen is removed immediately and the remaining screens are reordered automatically. Screen 3 has been removed. The preview now shows only 2 screens and the pagination dots have updated accordingly. That covers everything about onboarding screens. You now know how to add screens with images and text, reorder them, customize the colors and styling, preview the entire flow on a phone mockup, and delete screens you no longer need. Your customers will have a polished welcome experience the first time they open your app. We have now covered every feature inside AppMyStore. Let us do a quick recap of everything you have at your fingertips. Publish app is where it all starts. You fill in your app name, upload your icon and screenshots, and complete your store listing. Once everything looks good, you submit your app for review and it goes live on the App Store and Google Play. Plans and pricing is where you choose a subscription plan. The growth plan unlocks every premium feature including push notifications, app exclusive coupons, pricing discounts, and onboarding screens. Settings is your configuration hub. Set your branding colors, add your App Store and Play Store links, and enable the smart banner on your website to drive more app downloads. Push notifications let you reach your customers directly on their phones, send promotions, product launches, or sale announcements instantly or on a schedule. Coupons let you create exclusive discount codes that only work inside your mobile app, giving customers a real reason to download and keep using it. App pricing lets you offer special mobile only discounts. Your customers see a clear side by side comparison showing exactly how much they save when they shop through the app. Onboarding lets you create beautiful welcome screens for first time users, add custom slides with images, titles, and call to action buttons to make a strong first impression. That is the complete tour of AppMyStore. With just a few steps, you can turn your Shopify store into a fully native mobile app that your customers will love. If you're ready to get started, head over to the Publish App section and follow the wizard. Your app can be live on the App Store and Google Play in no time. Thank you for watching. We cannot wait to see your app out in the world.